Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make money online. And this app is free, you don't need to invest any amount. So guys, kindly subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell and like and share this video. So without wasting much time, I'll open my mail and you can see that I won from this app, and I'll be showing you this app, so watch this video to the end. So guys, without wasting much time, I'll be showing you how you can use the app and how you can start earning money for free, and you can get paid through mobile money. So guys, you can see I received email from them today in the morning around 9:35 a.m. I received this email from them, and they will pay me through mobile money. So guys, the app that I'm talking about is the GhanaRadio.com, the Ghana Radio app. So I'll be showing you how you can use this app to make money for free. So if you are an iPhone user, you can go to the App Store and search for Ghana Radio. If you are an Android user, you can open Google Play Store to search for Ghana Radio app to download the app. So after you have downloaded the app, you have to create an account. You have to create an account, and you have to use your mobile money details to create an account. So the name and the mobile phone number must be your mobile money number, because when you win, they are going to pay you through this number. So you have to create your account with your details. So after you have created your account, let me show you how you can make money on this platform. So you have to click on these predictions over here. You have to click predictions over here, and you are going to make predictions on these football matches. This is like a football betting, but you don't have to make any deposit. All you have to do is to make predict the scores. Like, you are going to give the correct scores, and after the match and the team scores as you predicted, you win a free money, and they will send the money to your mobile money account automatically. So let me show you the old matches. So this at the end of the match, this the scores that came. And if you give your predictions according to these scores, you win a free money. So you can click on the view winners, and you can check those who won on these matches. So please guys, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. And you can see from here that this Portugal match, no winner, because the prediction that they gave was wrong. And the Spain versus Switzerland, only one user won this match. So, and if you check the pay status, it's marked as paid, so they have sent the money to that user mobile money account number. So let me show you how you can give your predictions. on the matches. So I'm having slow internet connection, that's why it's delaying. So I'll click on this, click to predict on Arsenal versus Tottenham match. So I'll click on this, click to predict, or you can click on the view summary to check the predictions of the other users. So I click on this, click to predict, then I'll give the scores. So I'll do this 1-1, 1-1, and click on the submit button. So after you have clicked on the submit button, you repeat this same process. For these matches. So at the end of the week, they will bring in new matches that you can predict on, and you can check the the winner status. If you won any of the matches, they are going to send the money to your mobile money account. So guys, this is how this platform works. So kindly subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell.